that we've covered the basis of what you should know about diamonds, where you should buy it, and what you should be really careful when it comes to diamond certification, is obviously taking care of those diamonds. Once you have them in your possession, there's so many ways to take care of your diamonds, many of which not a lot of people know about, and it is so easy. So yes, there are so many ways to clean your diamonds, starting with the fact that you can go to the jeweler's next door and he can clean it for you. Truth is, you can do it at home. Two of the most popular way and by far the cheapest and easier to clean your diamonds are the following. Number one is the ultrasound bath, which you can have at home if you're a clean freak, because this little machine can be used for glasses, diamonds, and anything that actually requires a depth cleaning. The second and probably the most cheapest one is literally in a glass of water or bowl filled with lukewarm water. You add a few drops of liquid detergent. You let your diamond jewelry soak in for a few minutes and you use an oil to brush out the dust, the dirt, the daily stuck into the metal and the stones. And very often it's either dry soap or, ladies, you know exactly what I'm talking about, the hand cream and moisturizer that just gets stuck within the prongs of your piece of jewelry, which basically makes it lose its entire sparkle and shine. And rare are the people who generally clean their jewelry on a regular basis. And yet, it is so important considering how within a week of daily wear, dust, dirt, soap, cream can be accumulating, affecting directly the sparkle of your stone. Cleaning your jewelry and cleaning your diamond or diamonds applies to everyone, regardless of the size of your stone or even the quality and the color. Even if you have a DIF, so D internally flawless, beautiful, colorless diamond, which is basically the perfect grading you can ever have, you still need to clean it. You want your diamond to be even more clean in order to get the sparkle and the actual color of that diamond. If you've watched all of it, if you've understood most of it, well, I think you're about ready to go into a diamond adventure where you can purchase your own for your beloved one, for your own, or for the future generations. But bear in mind that transparency, sourcing, diamond criteria, all of those information combined make the most of what you should know whenever you want to purchase this beautiful and marvelous gemstone.